Good morning, YouTube. I'm so excited today because this thing just arrived. This is the new OnePlus 6. OnePlus has been my favorite phone since they've come out, since the OnePlus 1. There's also a notch on the screen this time. Not really sure why, but that seems to be the way things are going. Everything's shipped in a nice cardboard box here. So I got a case. I always get the carbon case, so this time I thought I would try this, the wooden back. And then here's the boxes. 1+6 boxes. This one is the mirror black 128 gig phone. And this is the midnight black 256 gigabyte phone. Same standard OnePlus box we've seen for the last few OnePlus phones. Red base, white box, OnePlus logo on the top. There's a 6 embossed there, which I don't know if you can see on camera. And then yeah, the speed you need. Okay, so let's open the box. This is so exciting. Yeah, look at that guy. Always fun to unbox a brand new OnePlus 6 phone. So let's take the phone. Oh. Looks nice. Feels very much like I'm holding a 5 or a 5T from the front. Obviously, I can notice the notch. The notch is quite pronounced. And then the back is very signature OnePlus. The central of the camera is NFC sensor. OnePlus working on their English. Does not disassemble the back cover. I love how the cameras have moved to the center now, and they're vertically oriented with the flash below, and then the fingerprint sensor below that, and then of course that OnePlus logo. Looks very, very nice. There's a screen protector that has been installed from the factory, as with other OnePlus phones. I don't know if that is visible. I've been using this, an iPhone X, for the last little while. OnePlus 6 is significantly taller. Feels a little bit thinner. And it's wider too. They went with glass on the back before with the OnePlus X, but this one you can clearly tell. This is the front, this is the black. You can clearly make out, anyone who picks this phone up will be able to tell right away, the back of this is glass. Same with most other phones that have a glass back. You can tell immediately, as soon as you pick it up, that it's a glass back. This is glass, but there is no way I would have been able to tell that this, I don't know how they make glass look like this. This midnight black looks awesome. It does not look like, I would have guessed metal. It does not look like glass at all. Can't imagine seeing a crack appearing on this. This is a midnight black 3T, which has a metal back. And wow, they look exactly the same color, shade, reflectiveness. How is this glass? Wow, that is amazing. I'm impressed. Very, very impressed. Here it is compared to the original OnePlus 1 from 2014. As you can see, the height is quite close. And the original one was actually just a tad wider. And I'm surprised it still says dash on the adapter, because they're gonna stop using dash now. Adapter looks the same as before. So does the signature dash charging cable, USB charging cable. And then what's this, Beats? No, it's 6. Ooh, they've included a case like they've done in the last few phones, like they have with the last few phones. So yeah, the usual stuff. Case, a smoked case, and a SIM removal tool. Wow, I did not realize this before. The do not disturb button is moved from the left. Let's see. Okay, let's turn it on for the first time. OnePlus, powered by Android. Okay, so while this is booting up, I'm just going to take a, well, this will boot up pretty fast, right? Okay, let me go ahead and set it up really quickly. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the face unlock. Allow, add face data. Okay, let's see how easy it is to use the fingerprint sensor. Ooh, pretty easy. Fingerprint added. Done. Is there setup over? Yep. Meet your Google Assistant, sure. Assistant permission. Anything else? No thanks. Add the finishing touches. Wow. Allow OnePlus launcher. Allow. And there is our sweet brand new OnePlus 6 Android smartphone. And now let's see how the touch response is. Ooh. Can't really tell much right now, but look how few apps there are. That's one of the nice things, huh? 5 rows, 5 icons per row, so that's 25, 26, 27 icons in your launcher at the moment. Isn't that awesome? Storage. 3.35 gigs used out of 242 gigabytes, 1% used. That's pretty good, huh? These things, a gig is nothing now. These things come with so much storage. Double click. Double click. Yeah, pretty fast. I don't know if that's faster. Let's take a picture. Zooming in and out is pretty smooth. Wow. I'm gonna start playing with this phone now. This is now my new, oh, let me put the case in quickly. Where's the case? So a very similar case to the cases before. Covers the whole phone though again. Oh, it's got its own buttons. OnePlus 6 has been completely set up now. I've got my apps copied over to it. I've logged into everything with LastPass. Right away, there's something that really bugs me about this that I found out. You can no longer put the seconds in the main clock. They don't give you that option anymore. It used to be an option available in System Tuner, and then I was very happy when OnePlus just exposed that option to anyone so that anyone could turn on seconds on that clock. I really like seeing seconds on that clock. The fact that I can't see it now sucks. That's pretty bad. The other thing is I noticed that I can't see the percentage for the battery on the right. So I can only see it on the left if I add another app. The screen I can tell is better. I love that. I can also actually quickly tell that it does feel a little bit faster. Anyway, that is my unboxing, setup, and quick take on the new OnePlus 6. I'm quite excited about it. I look forward to using this phone, and I will post more thoughts down the road. Okay, thank you for watching.